Lusters. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your love therapist, and today I've got a super exciting and important topic: traveling with your partner. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world together, I've got you covered. We'll be diving into some practical tips to help make your trips smoother, more enjoyable, and a little less stressful. So grab your passport and let's get into it. Tip 1. Communication is key. The number one rule when traveling with your partner is communication. And I'm not just talking about the occasional, where do you want to eat? I mean the deeper stuff, talking about expectations, budget, and how you both envision your trip. Do you want to chill on the beach all day, or are you more of an adventure couple? Are you planning to stick to a strict itinerary, or go with the flow? Having an honest conversation about these things will help you avoid misunderstandings and make sure both of you are on the same page. Pro tip: try setting some expectations before you even leave, like how much time you want to spend at each spot or how you'll handle meals. That way, no one's left feeling hangry or overwhelmed. Tip 2. Compromise and flexibility. Let's face it, things won't always go as planned. Your flight might get delayed, or you could end up lost in a new city with no Wi-Fi. And trust me, this can test even the best relationships. So, having a mindset of flexibility is key. You may want to go to that museum, but your partner may prefer a local cafe. Instead of pushing for your way, try finding a middle ground. Maybe spend a little time at the museum, and then have coffee afterward. Travel is all about balance, and sometimes compromising makes for the most memorable experiences. Tip 3. Share the responsibilities. It's easy to fall into the trap where one person does all the planning, navigating, and decision-making. But that's just asking for trouble and stress. So make sure to split tasks equally and support each other. Maybe one person handles the bookings, and the other navigates or checks the directions on the day of travel. Dividing these tasks ensures that no one feels overwhelmed, and you'll both get to enjoy the trip together. Tip 4. Be prepared for challenges. Maybe they're not used to flying or have specific travel quirks. Maybe you're not great at packing light, but that's okay. Instead of letting those little challenges turn into big issues, keep a positive attitude and work through them as a team. Have a backup plan for weather disruptions or transportation delays. When you're prepared for the worst, you can actually enjoy the best moments of your trip. Tip 5. Respect each other's space. Tip number 5 is about personal space. Yes, you're traveling together, but that doesn't mean you need to be glued at the hip 24/7. You're still two individuals with different interests and needs. Maybe one of you loves to spend some quiet time reading, while the other enjoys exploring new attractions. That's totally fine. Respecting each other's space doesn't mean you're not enjoying each other's company. It just means you're allowing each other to recharge and pursue personal interests, which actually makes your time together even more special. Tip 6. Have fun with the differences. Embrace the differences between you and your partner. Maybe one of you loves early mornings and the other is a night owl. Maybe you have different ideas about what's fun. Instead of seeing these differences as challenges, turn them into opportunities to learn from each other and grow closer. Try new things, maybe take a cooking class in Italy, or sign up for a crazy adventure that you'd never do alone. These differences can bring unique and memorable moments to your trip. Plus, they'll give you something to talk about when you get home. Tip 7. Capture the memories together. Take photos, videos, and little mementos together. But don't get so caught up in capturing the perfect shot that you forget to actually enjoy the moment. The goal is to look back on the trip and relive those memories, not just on your camera roll, but in your hearts. Make sure to take turns being the one behind the camera and in front of it. This way, both of you get to cherish the memories. Tip 8. don't forget to have fun with local culture. When you travel together, it's a perfect opportunity to dive into new experiences and explore what makes each destination unique. Whether it's sampling some local street food, learning a traditional dance, or chatting with friendly locals, embrace the culture around you. These fun experiences create memories that will last a lifetime, and they're also a great way to bond with your partner while stepping out of your comfort zone together. So, there you have it, my top tips for traveling with your partner. Remember, the goal is to create unforgettable experiences, enjoy each other's company, and make sure both of you feel comfortable and supported throughout the trip. It's about teamwork, compromise, and having fun together. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your favorite travel experience with your partner. And I'd love to hear your own tips for smooth travels, so feel free to share those too. Until next time, happy travels and safe adventures. Bye!